Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at and we're unboxing the iPhone XS Max Marvel Otter Box phone case. This is a thinner phone case, but it provides drop protection. As you can see, the honeycomb inside that is designed for protecting the phone, because these newer type phones have glass backs as well. But this is the Marvel edition with the Captain America logo on the back with the cutout for the camera and the flash. And the buttons are protected here on the side. We're going to scroll up a little bit. There we go. And then on this side as well, the buttons are protected. And we have the port for the mute. Then on the bottom, the port is protected all around, as well as the microphone and speaker grill as well. This is the Marvel Otter Box iPhone XS Max case, and it provides really good drop protection as well as side protection and a little bit on the top glass protection. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please give us a follow there. Thanks.